Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can trim videos easily using the split feature on CapCut PC. This is a kind of new feature, but it basically makes splitting videos easier. So before this existed, you can just select the split button here, which just divides the video into another part. Well, splits it into another part, but here you can like delete left and like delete right. So like you don't have to like split and then press delete. You can just instantly press this button and it's going to delete the left side of the clip. And if you selected this one, you can delete the right side of the clip. You can also use these, which just splits it into a few clips, and then you can delete it one by one. But yeah, this one's a good, I guess, like option just to make editing a little bit easier and quicker. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.